prove that Wamera helped me in 2,000% rate for only 4 days of takip in the morning, takip in the evening, for 1 bottle alone, nabitawan ko na yung cane. Hindi na ako nag-oxygen ngayon. Nilabas ko na ng bahay. Ang wheelchair, pinahiram ko na sa iba. Ang kasabay ko
Praise
nag-chemo.
God!
We are 8 sa batch
Hallelujah.
namin
Diyos
ng
ko, Lord.
nag-chemo sa Medical City.
Nangingilam.
Awang tulong, 4 na patay, 4 na lang kami buhay. And I'm the only one who's walking. It's a stage 4B, breast cancer, lymphoma cancer, and bone cancer. So I'm done with chemotherapy and now undergoing bone treatment. Pero ang chemotherapy, you were right, ang side effect na nagkaroon ako ng cardiac myoma, a side effect. So my legs used to be very manas. I have pictures to prove it. So with Wamera, wala na, hindi na, nakakaihip na ako. No, I stopped taking yung diuretic for urine. And this morning, sabi ng doktor before I came here, tigilan ko na yung captopril, yung for the heart death. Samantala, I only started nung nag-seminar ako ng Saturday kay Sir... I forgot the name doon from South.
Saturday?
That Saturday.
Taga Makati siya.
Makati, sabi niya gano'n.
Only 1 week pa lang.
1 bottle a day pag cancer. Akala ko pwedeng 2 cups in the morning, 2 cup over cup, 2 sa lunch and then dinner. Kasi, kaya I did it Sunday evening, kalahating bote na. The whole yesterday, I finished the whole bottle. Kanina umaga, 1/3 of the bottle, siguro sobra pa doon, nakaka-addict ang tamis eh. So, I went to the doctor, my blood pressure, ayan pa oh, my blood pressure 100/60, and I lost 3 pounds. Wow! From 62, 58 point?
6.
Oh, 58.6. So, that was only 1 day of 1 bottle of Wamera. Ngayon, when I came up, but although the asthma was still there kasi of the weather, nakapanik ako na hindi na ganun kahirap yung pwede nang hindi na ako humawak sa gilid.
Talaga?
So sabi ko, wow, 2 days pala, 1.5 day pala. So sabi ko, I think I'm in the right place.
Yes!
Thank you,
Kasamahan
ma'am.
ko pala yung friend ko.
Ma'am, thank you na bayan niyo ngayon.
Si Ate Beck.
Sigalawan ko kayo ng Wamera
Ate
dahil
Beck, this is really
nag-testimony
for
kayo
you.